Welcome to BondIn Playground, a place where engineers prove skills, not just talk. This video introduces the BondIn multi-level review loop, our low-level design playground. The LLD Playground is built to help engineers practice low-level design the way interviews actually evaluate it, through structured thinking, iterative design, and continuous review. From the LLD Playground, engineers can access a growing list of low-level design problems. These problems are curated based on real interview patterns, and new problems are added continuously over time. Let's open one example problem: designing a parking lot system. Each problem opens in a dedicated workspace, designed for clarity and iteration. On the left side, the review log, which helps in continuously evaluates the design as it evolves. On the right top section, the problem can be viewed at any time, including requirements, constraints, and example scenarios. A reference tab is also available to understand one or two possible reference expectations for the given problem. We also have the AI assistant supports with multiple collaboration modes. Engineers can choose a friendly mode for guidance, an interviewer mode for challenging questions, or a collaborator mode for joint design exploration. Each session is isolated, allowing focused discussions during different stages of the design. Low-level design in BondIn is structured into 3 dedicated canvases. First, the entity's Brainstorm canvas. Second, the database design canvas. Third, the class diagram canvas. This separation enforces clarity and prevents premature implementation decisions. Design begins with identifying core entities and responsibilities. During this phase, engineers focus only on domain modeling, not tables and not classes. As entities are added, the review log provides immediate feedback, highlighting missing concepts, responsibility overlap, and design gaps. Once entities are stable, the design moves to the database design canvas. Based on the identified entities, BondIn can intelligently generate an initial table structure. We can import or we can start from scratch. This serves as a starting point, not a final solution. Now, engineers can then refine the schema by defining fields, constraints, indexes, and relationships. The review log can evaluate the schema for normalization issues, performance risks, and consistency problems. The AI assistant can also be used to suggest improvements and alternative approaches. After the database design stabilizes, the design progresses to the class diagram canvas. Based on the schema, initial classes and fields can be generated automatically. This ensures alignment between persistence and object models. Engineers can now focus on behavior. Methods, interfaces, services, and responsibilities can be added and refined. The review log evaluates the class design for coupling, cohesion, and responsibility boundaries. Once the design reaches a stable state, it can be shared publicly. A shareable link is generated, allowing others to view the complete design. Public designs open in a read-only mode. On the left, the full problem statement and requirements are visible. On the right, the complete design canvas is available for review. Other engineers can fork the design, create improvements, and explore alternative approaches. Low-level design is not about writing code quickly. It is about clarity, structure, and reasoning. The BondIn LLD Playground is built to help engineers practice exactly that.